Okay. Example 4, what if I want to find the sum of the arithmetic series? So the example I love to use is an auditorium where each row has 2 more seats than the row in front of it. Do I care about how many seats are in each row? Yeah, maybe. But I care more about how many are in the entire theater. And do I really want to figure that out by counting every seat in the theater? The answer is no. So what could I do instead? Same here. The first term is 3. And then I have the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th is 25. And it says to find the sum. What's it mean to be sum? So anytime you see the word series, it's asking for the sum. So all of these terms I would add together. Now here's what's hard. I got to figure out what those numbers are in the blank if I do it this way, like if I do it the long way. Instead, there is a formula that looks like this that will do it for me. So n is the number of terms. A sub 1 is the first term, and A sub n is the last term. So how do I use that? So A sub 12 equals 12 divided by 2. So that divided by 2 is always there. You're always cutting it in half. The first term is 3, and the last term is 25. If you're feeling lazy, just go to straight to Desmos. So 12 divided by 2, parenthesis 3 plus 25. 168. So the sum of all of those numbers together is 168. That was much easier than actually having to figure out what numbers go in between here and add them up. Now sometimes, this is when it gets tricky, sometimes they give you the first number and they tell you like how much it's increasing by, but they don't tell you the last number. So in that case, you would have to use this formula to find the last term and then plug it into there. So it becomes a 2-step process. In this example, however, could I just use a calculator to straight up add that? Yep. Would that probably be quicker for most of us? Yes. So should I do it that way if it's quicker for me personally? Yes. But I will show you that the formula works. So how many terms do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms. That means n is 7. The first term is 5, and the last term is 41. Okay, so I had to type that in real quick before I forgot it. My memory's gone. All right, 7 divided by 2 times 5 plus 41 is 161. So I challenge you to just add it up in the calculator. 5 plus 11 plus 17 plus 23 plus 29 plus 35 plus 41. And tell me, do you get the same answer?